Hello dear students, good afternoon. Today I will explain you first chapter of chemistry. So we start from classification of matter, and the previous matter already I have taught you. So here in classification of matter, matter can be classified into the two ways on the basis of physical state and chemical constitution. And physical state is classified in solid, liquid and gas, and in chemical constitution it is classified in element, compound and mixture. Now here the general properties of states of matter: the shape of solids, definite shape, and in liquids no definite shape, in gases no definite shape. Now mass in solids, solids have mass, liquids also have mass, gases also have mass. Now about volume, solids have definite volume and liquids have definite volume, but gases have no definite volume. About compressibility of solids, solids are incompressible, liquids are slightly compressible and gases are highly compressible. Now about density of solids, solids have high density and liquids have less density and gases have least density. Now free surfaces of solids, they have any number of free surfaces, and liquids one upper free surface and gases have no free surface. Now diffusion of solids, they are non-diffusible and liquids are slightly diffusibility and gases have high diffusibility. Now fluidity, solids do not flow, liquids flow from higher level to lower level and gases flow in all directions. Now about arrangement of atoms or molecules in solids, solids have very closely packed atoms or molecules and liquids have loosely packed atoms or molecules and gases have far apart molecules. Now about interparticle space or intermolecular space. Solids have minimum interparticle space, liquids have more interparticle space than solids and gases have maximum interparticle space. Now interparticle attraction, solids have very strong attraction and liquids have less strong and gases have very weak interparticle attraction. Now the movement of particles in solids, solids move about their own position, liquids move in continuous motion and gases in any random or in any direction. Now interconversion of states of matter, the process by which a matter changes from one state to another and back to its original state without any change in its chemical composition. It is called interconversion of states of matter. By the diagram we can understand the interconversion of states of matter as ice cubes on heating it changes in the liquid state and on heating to the liquid or water it changes into gaseous state. Now further, on cooling of gaseous state or vapor state, it changes again into the liquid form, and after on further cooling it changes into ice cubes. Now change of state of matter by change in temperature. When temperature is increased, a solid changes into liquid, as we know, melting. On further heating, a liquid changes into vapor or in the gaseous state. When temperature is decreased, or can we say on the cooling, vapor changes into liquid. On further cooling, a liquid changes into a solid, freezing. Now terms related to change of states of matter. Now melting or fusion. So here the conversion of a substance on heating from solid state to liquid state, the particles of solid gain energy, vibrate and overcome force of attraction. Now about melting point, it is the fixed temperature at which a solid changes into liquid. And vaporization, the conversion of substance on heating from liquid state to vapor state. And boiling point, it is the fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into vapor. And liquefaction or condensation, the conversion of a substance on cooling from vapor state to liquid state. Now condensation point, it is the fixed temperature at which a vapor changes into liquid. And solidification or freezing, conversion of substance on cooling from liquid state to solid state. Now freezing point, it is the fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into solid. Now here change of state of matter by change in pressure. When pressure is applied on some gases, they change into liquid state. For example, liquid oxygen, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. When pressure reduced, they come back into the gaseous state. And second point, cooking gas, LPG, is stored under high pressure in the cylinders in the liquid form. On opening the valve of the regulator, pressure gets reduced and it comes out in the gaseous form. Thank you.